Hey, welcome to the series of everything you need to know about Python in simplest possible way. In our previous videos, we have discussed about strings, right? We have discussed about strings, we have discussed about strings indexing and slicing, and also we have discussed about string concatenations, right? So in this video, we will be discussing about string multiplication, also referred as string repetition. So what that means is that we generally used to multiply two numbers, right? We used to multiply two numbers so that we can able to get another number. So in here what we will be doing is that in order to understand this string repetition, we will be multiplying an integer with some string so that we can able to get another string. So let us go ahead and see how it works. So in order to understand, what I will be doing is that I will take a number, let's say 5 here, and I will multiply this number with some string. So for example, I am taking like here. So now if I execute this, we can able to get the like 5 number of times here. Like here, and after here, 1, 3, 4, 5. Like that, we are getting this particular like 5 times, which means by using this particular multiplication, you can able to get this particular string how many number of times that you are multiplying, which is nothing but this particular number that you are mentioning here. So instead of directly doing this, let us go ahead and see with some variables, right? So for that reason, I will be taking a variable, let's say number here, and I'm taking this number as 10. So after that, I will be taking a string, and the string which I am taking is subscribe. So now what I will be doing is that I am mentioning this as a result, and I am multiplying this particular number with this particular string here. So after that, I will just print this particular result here. So now if I execute this, we can able to see this particular subscribes coming 10 number of times. You can actually count this. So I will put a space here so that we can able to get some proper here. So now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now we have got this 10 number of times this particular string. So by using this multiplication symbol, we can able to get the strings how many number of times that we are multiplying. I hope by this you can able to understand this particular string repetition, also referred as string multiplication. So we will take one more example which is very interesting so that you can able to understand this more clearly. So for that, what I will be doing is that we will be generating some numbers, let's say from 1 till 10. So by using that, we can able to understand this particular string multiplication very clearly, so that we can able to understand loops also, right? So for that reason, I will be taking a string which is, let's say, like here also. Here also I am taking the value as like. After that, what I will be doing is that I will take a number starting with 1. So after that, I will take a loop which is nothing but a while loop. So in this while loop, what I will be doing is that I will be mentioning some condition while number less than or equal to 10. So as long as this condition becomes true, we will be executing this particular loop, right? So in this, what I will be mentioning is that I will be mentioning this particular print statement, which is nothing but number multiplication with this particular string here. I will put a space here so that we can able to get some meaningful result. So now after that, here we need to have some modification statements, right? This condition needs to be modified. So that is what I will be mentioning here. Number less equal to 1 here. So now if I execute this, we can able to see this particular likes coming like this. First we have 1, later we have 2 likes, later we have 3 likes. Like that, the number of likes are keeps increasing until this particular value, which is nothing but a 10 here. So by this, I hope you can able to understand this particular string multiplication with a more meaningful way. So thank you for watching this video. If you found this video interesting, hit the like button. To stay updated with my latest videos, subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications to all, so that whenever I upload any video, you will get the notification. In the next video, we will see string comparison. So thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one.